Hello traders out there in Traderland. My name is D7 here at Grok Trade. It's weekend edition and it's good through Sunday, August 5th, 2018 in the markets. In the day on Friday, mostly bullish, especially financials up 0.6%. However, Russell's was the only major index in negative territory, down 0.35%. Crude oil down 0.6%, silver and gold higher, and VIX at 11.6, so that's pretty low. And Bitcoin is just over 7,000. So there we are. Let's take a quick look here at the markets. The S&P 500 Thursday had a nice pop. Friday it continued higher. It's just looking pretty good out here in the market. It's just nothing to be overly concerned about. Thursday, we had this nice pullback. We had this gap down, run up. This was a great buy opportunity. Sure enough, Friday took off. NASDAQ, we had a nice pop, and we rallied higher on Friday. Not by that much, but nonetheless, we are higher. And Russell's, if this is the first time if you're watching us here, I've been trading 20 years. We've been in business 11 years. And I'm the longest person that's been doing trading videos. I was the first person in the world to be doing trading videos. And I don't know too many of us who are still active doing these. And anyway, I've been doing them since 2004 on a very regular basis. But you'll see that I have buy and sell calls here. And these are publicly posted for all to see. And yeah, so there they are. That's the Russells. The Russells showed a little bit of weakness here, so that's interesting. We have a big triangle. If it shows too much weakness, and the 20-day moving average does act as resistance, this can go down. It will play with this area of support. If it breaks down, that'll be bad news. Financials had a sell on it at this resistance, but Thursday when we rallied up off this rising 200-day moving average, that was a buy opportunity. And sure enough, we broke an area of resistance. So that looks pretty good here on financials. US dollar, if I can get there we are. And I'm using TradingView, and you can get a link in the descriptions in YouTube and at the website. Anyway, US dollars up, kind of up flat here. And crude oil, I got a buy on it, but Friday it did drop on me after the buy call. But I'll stay with my buy for the time being. Silver, slightly higher. What do we have? I have a buy call on this. I'm going to stay with my buy, even though it's looking like a bearish pennant. This is scary, man. It looks like gold and silver could go lower yet. Called it a sell after it broke support. Remember, we called it a buy and it was flirting with this. I said, man, I'm just going to, I'm not going to call it a sell unless we break down. Well, sure enough, we did on Thursday. I had to call it a sell. Friday, it's still showing weakness. I think gold and silver is going to continue lower is what it looks like to me. As far as fear is concerned, we are dropping. I had a buy on it, but now we're dropping again. We're at some really low complacent levels. And Bitcoin, Thursday, just a nasty little drop. Bam. Friday, we back up. But anyway, we were up here around 8,500. But I'm telling you guys, look for Bitcoin to keep going higher. I see that happening. We have an inverted head and shoulders down here. So this has a really good chance of continuing to go to the upside. And for those who want to get into cryptocurrency, but in your like IRAs or cash accounts, you can do it with GBTC and got a buy on it. I'm going to stay with that buy. Let's say it's above this area of support. So let's see what it does. Let's look at some stocks of interest. Start with the Dow 30, and then we'll get into some tech stocks. Apple came out with earnings and just is an insanely powerful stock right now. It's going up. It's doing very well. It's just nothing you can say about it. It'd be hard to jump into it right this second. I'd be looking for a pullback before I'd want to get into it. AXP, got a buy on it. Boom, it did go up Friday. It's good. BA, got a sell on this one. We're below moving averages. We'll stay with that sell. Caterpillar, put a buy on it, but it's really not running up. I thought I would see a bigger pop there. We're not seeing it yet. Cisco, have a buy on it from a few days ago. That would be Wednesday. Thursday, we had a gap down, a little scared at the beginning, but it rallied up, and now it's starting to go in the direction as expected. Chevron, Chevron, it's a nice bull pullback. Oh boy, I'm gonna put a buy on that one. Okay, there's your buy on Chevron. Disney, I got a buy on that one. We're going higher. It's closed Friday really nicely. Dow DuPont, I got a buy on it, bouncing off of support. Oh, Friday was just a little stagnant. GE, I got to sell on that one until it can break up over this area of resistance. I'm going to be good with that sell. So we're in a triangle pattern right now. So I'm going to stay with that sell. Goldman Sachs, I got a sell on it, but look for that to probably go higher here. I'm going to wait before I put a buy on that one. Home Depot, got a buy on it on the hammer, but look, it did nothing on Friday. Home Depot, you're killing me. Killing me. IBM was up 3.3%. So this was cool. We drop. We had what's called a spinning top, which is on the bullish side. Call this a morning star too. And sure enough, we gapped up and took off. It looked really, really good. So that's good. It's good. Intel, got a buy on it on the hammer. It's going up, but that's a bear pullback. Look to short that soon. Johnson & Johnson. We're up. We're above moving average. It'll stay with it. On my buy call, JP Morgan. Got a buy on it, and boom, that one went up. Did we look at that one already? Coca-Cola. We're up. We're good with that. McDonald's up 0.5%. Ooh, so I bought the hammer. Put a buy on the hammer, and this one just didn't do so well. Not yet, at least. 3M, I got a sell on it. I'm going to put a buy on 3M now. Whoops. I don't know why I didn't put it on the hammer. I should have done that. Anyway, there's my buy. Let's go to Merck. Got a sell on Merck. Oh, that one went against me. So I'm going to put a buy on Merck. I'm going to put a buy on it because we put a sell very next day. It did drop. It did drop it. There it is. Microsoft, got a buy on it going higher. I'm good with that. Boom. Nike, got a buy on it. It's going up. PFE. Look how beautiful this looks. Pfizer, man, we got a buy on it over here at 36 bucks. Now we're at $40. Up, and away. Looking really, really strong. Procter & Gamble, up, and I'm going to put a sell on that. Let's take profits, guys. Let's take profits on Procter. And Travelers, I got a buy on it. It was going up. That's good. UNH. I got a sell on it, but oh, it broke back above this. That's interesting. Okay. Very, very interesting. So I'm going to put a buy on that. Candlestick. UTX. United. I got a sell on it. Man, that's going to be a buy soon. I'm just not going to do it yet, but that's a buy. Visa. Got a buy on it. It's popping up. It's like a little bear pullback. Look for this to turn into a inverted head and shoulders. Verizon. Got a sell on it. Oh, and it popped up on me. So we get to buy, and these calls that I make do not move. They are what they are, and you can just kind of pause the video and do your own calculations based off of these to see how we do. Anytime you're in consolidation, there's no money there. If anything, you'll get nickeled and dimed to death in consolidation. We're looking for the big trends moving. WBA. Walgreens had a gap down, run up, a bullish thrusting pattern, put a buy on it, and it popped it and didn't do anything to speak of. Walmart up almost 1%. Oh, and it broke a trend line. So I had a sell on it. That one went against me. I'm going to put a buy on this one now. Exxon, let's go there. I put a buy on the Doji, down after an extended run. A Doji, I'm expecting that to go higher, but then you'll sell it fairly quickly. All right. We're going to look at some other, we're going to get into some tech stocks. Now, the tech stocks, they give us bigger money-making opportunities, unlike the Dow 30. And before I do that, I want to show you an email. I'm going to probably blur out the name in editing. But this was an email that came in last night. And, oh, man, I don't want to move this. be too hard. But dear D7 and Grok Trade, I've been getting your trade list. What he's talking about is the we have a Stock Picks V newsletter, video-based newsletter. I've been getting your trade list for 3 weeks now and have already made more than the cost of the subscription. Thank you. I need to reply to him. I haven't done so yet. But anyway, it says, I enjoy your YouTube videos. When I'm ready to devote more time to trading, I hope to take your mentoring classes. When you're ready, but anyway, let me keep reading it. In the meantime, thank you for your work. Regards and information. I haven't responded to him, so there's nothing to share. I can't say, I haven't got permission for him to share information with me or with you guys. I can't speak. I'm trying to do a couple things at once here. Okay, but if you're remotely interested in the Stock Picks V newsletter, you can get at the top of the page here, Stock Picks V newsletter. I do highly recommend you take this one, How to Find Great Trades. This is a webinar. You can take that right now. There's 3. These are free classes you can take. We do these all the time. And these are the 3 favorites. Jump into them. Join us. I think you'll enjoy it. But that's the one that talks about the Stock Picks V newsletter. I think that'll be a help to you. Maybe. It was to that gentleman. And we're going to go to Stock Picks. Grok Tech Stocks. Apple. We already looked at that one. Up and away. AMD. Put a buy on it. Oh, that one's dropping on us already. Ouch. But look at the money. There's so much money here on these buys. Amazon was down. We had a buy on Amazon, but it's showing weakness already. I hope that doesn't turn over on us. Baba. Down, 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 down. I'm just going to stay with that. Baidu was up 2.25%. I didn't put a buy on this one. I just think it's too much resistance over it. And we have Booking Holdings, which is Priceline. Put a buy on it, but it didn't pop yet. But it could. Cisco, got a buy on it. It is popping. It's going. Catfish. I put a buy on it here. It gapped against me on earnings. It's starting to go up, so I still got the buy. I won't put a sell on it until it starts to drop again. I'm going to try to get some of these profits back. eBay got a sell on it, but now it's going to be a buy. It's going to be a buy. Facebook got a buy on it, popped, but nothing. Google, oh, there's nothing there. Google with an L, nothing there. GoPro is up 17%. Whoa, we put a buy at $5.80. Now it's at $7. Huge run. Man, I'm talking almost a 50% run. What a great run just in a few days. Earnings did really well for this. So that's a good one. Microsoft, we already looked at that one. MU, Micron, got a buy on it when it popped back up above resistance. Now it's got this support, but it's showing weakness. May not be ready to run yet. Netflix, I got a sell on it. It's a bear pullback. Look to sell that again, guys. Nvidia, got a buy on it, bouncing off support. It's what it is. Oracle, put a buy on it. Oh, that one did release. That's what it's supposed to do. Put these buys, boom, it's supposed to go. PayPal, got a buy, boom, it's going up, but look to sell that. This is a bear pullback. This could be your head and shoulders trend reversal pattern. Look to put a sell on that short. Red Hat, got a sell on it. It's a low base. Look to short that if it breaks down. Shopify, got a buy on it. Showing weakness, nothing. Snap, got a sell on it. It popped up, but this is a sell city. Look to short this. If it hits its head, it starts to drop. In Twitter, last but not least, down almost 3%. Ouch. Have a sell on it, down. Look to sell that too. A lot of sells. In 2 weeks, we'll be in Las Vegas. And looking forward for the ones that are going to be showing up for that. We just had an online class. Most of our mentorships are 3 days, and they're usually done online, so you do them from the comfort of your own home. and we all have our video cameras, and you're looking at our screens. It's almost like you're in the office with us, and we systematically go through and teach, and you guys can ask your questions. It's really good. A couple times a year we go to Viva Las Vegas, just because we happen to have an office there. We're a Nevada corporation, and that office, we go there, and yeah, we teach live, and that's always fun when you can hang out. So anyway, looking forward to that. And we have some classes coming up. If you haven't done so yet, and if you want to take a 5-question quiz, so you don't have to give any information. You have to do it. It's just 5-question quiz. You can do it by doing this. And why would you take the quiz? It's about trading, and it's about the makeup of a trader. And I've taken my 20 plus years in the markets, and in my library of books, and we've mentored over thousands of individuals, and I have taken what we have learned with what we're teaching, and have been able to quantify good and bad traders, or those who have the makeup, the DNA makeup, if you will, to be able to do well in the markets. Because there's some students that very quickly out of mentorship, they quit their jobs, they're trading full time, and then on the other side, there's those that just struggle. And if it wasn't for our trade log software we give them, and all the rule sets to minimize losses, man, they would really have a hard time. And what we have tried to do is focus on the individuals that have the best chance of being successful, and that's what we're after. So these 5 questions is actually a vetting process that we use, looking for students. Because if a student passes that, we want them through our program. If they don't, most people won't pass it, and we just think it's something better for them. And we steer them in a different direction. So that's interesting. All right, I think I might go catch a movie tonight or something. If you guys haven't used MoviePass, I got one. It's like $10 a month. They're rolling with their own financial issues right now as a company, but it's kind of cool going to a theater and getting a free movie once a day. Anyway, free information. So take care. We'll catch you guys later. Bye.